Hello, welcome back to Outmouse Labs. My name is Penny and I'm glad you're here. We're going to be doing a quick coding tutorial today. I actually just needed this functionality, so I wrote the plugin and I figured I would share. Okay, so the way we did this is we set up our comments and our JS doc streams. So this is what allows the plugin to interface with the RPG Maker MZ editor. We've set our target to MZ. We have set our description, our help file, how it works, and a single parameter. So this parameter is damage amount. It's a number type, has a minimum of 1 and a max of 1000, a default of 10. The text that the user will see is damage, and the description is damage applied by floor tiles. Nice and simple. And we're going to create a function. We're wrapping everything in a function to keep our code away from other people's code so we don't damage their functionality and they don't damage ours. We're going to start by setting a plugin name constant, which is just the name of our plugin. Now this needs to match the name of the file. So AML custom floor damage, AML custom floor damage. Then we're setting our parameters. Our parameters are using the base systems plugin manager, .parameters, .plugin name. And then finally, we're registering our parameter from up top, our damage amount. So we're setting that to make a number out of the parameters damage amount. And if there's nothing's inputted, set to 10. That's what gives us our default of 10. Next, we're going to alias a function from the base engine, which is called gameactor.prototype.basic floor damage. Our alias is the same, just with all underscores instead of dots. Then we're going to call the base function, call our aliased function. We're going to tell that to apply. And then we're going to return our new damage amount. And then at the bottom, we're going to call it. That's all it does. If you look at it in the editor, it looks like this. We go into our plugin manager, we turn it on, and we set our damage. In my case, I set it to 1 because I'm doing a very low stat game, but you can do whatever you'd like here. We hit OK, we hit apply, we jump into a test, and our green bubbles are damage tiles. Our health went down by 1. By default, it would go down by 10. All right, that's really all there is to it. Real quickly, if you don't know how to set damage tiles, you go to Tile Sets, go to the tile you want to set as a damage. You click on Damage Floor, and wherever you click, you'll see little spikes. Those are now damage tiles, which you're going to use whatever damage amount you set in the plugin. Without the plugin, it's always going to do 10. All right, that's it. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. And this is a great small plugin that you can kind of dissect and use to make your own plugins. All right, take care and happy game making.